Righto boys, so the first skill we're going to look at today for week 3 is obviously for a player that's been dominated and put on their back is a 3-step process to play the ball quick. So what I want you doing at home is practicing this 6 times and then recording your time and see if you can get better and better with after getting put on your back or dominated. So what I've got here now is Tynan at the moment. So as you can see, Tynan's got his ball in his dominant hand, so his dominant play the ball hand. So the first step in this process, boys, I want him to put his feet to his bottom, so his feet as close to his bottom as possible. So he's now to arch his back, so get into a bit of a bridge. What that does is create separation from the defender, so it gives you a little bit of space, because when you drop down, there's going to be a space between you and the defender. So what he's going to do is roll over now, so any way possible. Okay, strong power base like Scott's going to demonstrate a little bit later. Okay, once he's in that power position, okay, if I try and effect a tackle on him now or try and roll him, okay, we get the penalty. So from there, the next step is get up and play the ball as quick as possible. 1 step, beautiful. Okay, so boys, what I need you to do there is make sure you practice that. So it's 6 times. So I want you to just find your front, get on your back, roll up, get up, play the ball 6 times and record yourself and let me know how you go with your times.
Yeah, so boys, obviously Dawley elaborated there on our 3-step play the ball, really important part of the game of rugby league, quick play the ball. I'm just going to go a little bit further into power position here. Once you do get to yourself into the tackle situation, a bit of spatial awareness, you need to make sure you try and find your front as much as possible. What does that do? Generating a little bit more ruck speed. Obviously our team's moving forward, it gives our halves more time to play with the ball. So really important, I'll just use this little drill here you can do on your own. Elbows, knees, here's your power position, really strong, but you can just go down flat like you've been flattened out, suck your knees up and just grab a wide base. What does that do? It just mimics getting hit from the side, you hold your front still, quick play the ball. Yep, so again, we can roll on that quickly, you can suck them up, wide base. Suck them up, wide base. Suck them up, wide base. That's some drills you can use at home, again, just to improve those little parts of your game. And then from there, we take it away and we get on the field and we play with some speed.
Once again, boys, it's what we're focusing on is some very core skills like when you go back as a young fella. So making sure you're doing these little things at home, so when you come back to us, you're better rugby league players. So good luck this week.
See you next week.